All right, let's look at this Ratax here. This is a CKF and Marfione. So Mike Cooligan and Tony Marfione Sr. playing. Together again. They did it before with the Sakosha. That was huge. I got 3 of them in different variations, and this is the first Ratax to come out. Beautiful little color splash around the pivot there with that Timascus. Really nice overall lines. Integral. 0 tolerance on machining there. This little U channel goes all the way back, and that's good confidence in our centering there. Look at that. Looks good. Action is marvelous. The lines of that blade are gorgeous. Overall lines of the piece are just really sweet. Yeah. All right, this is nice. Oh yeah, reverses all day long. Nice and droppy. Reverse, reverse. Oh yeah, easy. Yeah, feels really great in the hand. Yeah, this is going to get some pocket and carry time. Reverse flip. Yep, man. Wonderful action on this piece. Really nice two-tone finish on the blade. Yeah. All right. Mike and Tony Sr., great job. Man, this is a bad boy. Love it.